Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning with Almasi. If you want to grow your channel, your YouTube channel, and get more views on your videos, then mastering YouTube search engine optimization is a must. In today's video, I'll be breaking down each and every step on how to rank your videos higher and boost your visibility. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. The first step to ranking your video is finding the right keywords. Keywords can definitely help your YouTube understand what your video is about and match it with the right audience. So you may be wondering, how do you get your keyword search? Well, first of all, YouTube search bar to see auto suggestions related to your topic. Second, check out Google Trends and tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ for keyword insights. And lastly, find long tail keywords, phrases with 3 words and above that have high search volume but low competition. Your title is the very first thing that people see, so make it count. You can do this by making sure that you use a main keyword at the beginning of your title and make it as catchy and clickworthy. For descriptions, you can include the main and any related keywords natural. Write at least 250 words explaining what your video covers. And finally, add stamps. Those are the timestamps, links, and a call to action. Tags help YouTube recognize your video. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your topic. A great thumbnail increases your click-through rate. So if you've heard of the word CTR, you know what it means. You can follow these steps to have a great CTR using bold text, contrasting colors, and a clear image. Keep it simple but eye-catching. Avoid too much text on your thumbnail. Make it 3 to 5 words maximum. And remember, your video quality matters. Hook viewers in the first 15 seconds by stating what they learn and why it matters. YouTube loves engagement, so encourage viewers to watch longer and to interact. Ask questions in your video to encourage comments. Use end screens and cards to keep viewers watching your other videos. Reply to comments and create a community around your content. Don't rely too much on YouTube's algorithm. Promote your video too. What I mean by this is share it on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, and other relevant forums. Embed it on your blog or website. Send it to your email list, that is if you have one. To encourage you, collabo with other YouTubers in your niche and cross-promote to grow faster. Once your video is live, check your YouTube analytics to see the watch time and retention rate, click-through rate, that is CTR, of your thumbnail, Which traffic sources bring the most views? Use this data to improve your video for future use. And that's it. By following the steps provided on YouTube search engine optimization, you will see wonders, and I mean your videos will rank higher and you will get more views. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos. Comment on what's your biggest fear when it comes to YouTube SEO. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye.